Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing video for a Inateck USB 3.0 dual SATA HDD docking station. With this one you can clone 3.5 or 2.5 inch hard drives. So if you've got some SSDs or you've got some old 3.5s from failed Western Digital external drives, then this one's for you. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So we've got the docking cradle here. It's in a plastic sheath. So on there you've got your your connections there. You've got power. You've got LED indicators. So power, disk master A, B, 25%, 50%. So it indicates, I guess, how much, if you're copying over data, how much of it is cloned. Power button there. On the back you've got USB 3.0, the fat USB power DC, it's 1.2 volts, little connector there. It's an FDU 3C 2.0, so what else is in the box? Got a power brick here with a standard kettle lead and standard jack. Got a USB cable, which isn't very long. It's probably about a meter in length. So there's the connections on that. Just standard stuff. Kettle lead, you get that in the box. Tiny little DVD here. Driver. I guess that's for your Windows. Lots of German. QR code there, that's great. Yeah, feedback, instruction manual, and that's it.